In my go trading now, this is where I am. I followed the market all the way down and made profit at this point. This is why I made profit. So what did I do next? I now drew my structure. I boxed my structure. A to B, B to C, C to D on my 4 hour. Came down to my 1 hour, the same box structure. I saw the structures and I boxed. Came down to my 30 minutes, the same structure and I boxed. You see, this is the resistance of 30 minutes and the same resistance of 1 hour. So it's 1 hour and 30 minutes share the same. So in situations like this where you have 30 minutes and 1 hour sharing the same support or resistance level, you know that you need to what? Stick with 1 hour, and then if you're looking for, when you get your breakout and you're looking for a reversal, a second confirmation, you do it on 30 minutes, okay? That's very important. When 30 minutes and 1 hour share the same area of support or resistance, always remember that when you have a breakout of either the support or the resistance on your 1 hour, which is the same level on 30 minutes, you drop down to your 30 minutes or 15 minutes max to look for what? A confirmed second breakout. Let's go forward. So what happened here? You see the market came and gave us a little breakout. I will say this is more of a breakout, but on 30 minutes, I'll say this is more of a breakout. When you come to 30 minutes, you see this as a breakout. When you come to 1 hour, which you share the same, so you need to take a common breakout. Let's increase this and see what we are talking about. We bring our cursor and place it at this point. You see that's a good breakout. So that's a very fantastic breakout. So what do? We now expect the market to go back down. So we'll come to 30 minutes and wait for the market to go back down, give us a structure going back down so we can buy. But before then, like I always say, I just normally pull my Fibonacci. You see, I already pulled it. I pulled it in the opposite direction. Opposite in the sense that the market broke going up, broke my resistance going up. So I pull my Fibonacci from the breakout point 100 down to what? The point of origin. And I normally expect the market to reverse at this point. There's a secret in doing this. What I do is, anytime I do something like this, what I do is this. I always look for areas of particular concern. Particular concern. Okay, so you see, this is my Fibo level where I should be expecting entries. So within this zone here, where can I see? If I point at this top, I see that this top. If I place, let's say I place this resistance here, I have this top here. This resistance is sharing the same top with this bottom here. You know, so you can see there are so many. If you go back chart, let's see, we might have other points. You know, let's not waste our time going back. But basically, when you do that, you have lots of points. Like, okay, now let's leave that. Let's leave that. It's another. It's majorly for my students. Let me not go there. Okay, so you just pull your Fibo, and then you have these 2 points as my area of concern. You can see within this zone we have a top here, we have a bottom here, we have a top here, we have a bottom close by, we have a bottom here, a top there, a bottom there, a top. Just you have a bottom here. It's really a lovely point, you know. It's a lovely point. So we had our breakout here. You know, so what are we expecting? We're expecting the market, since I dropped down to my 30 minutes after the breakout, I'm expecting the market to give me structures going down and break that structure going down. Give me a second breakout. You can see the breakout occurred at this point. So I expect the market, after this breakout, the market should give me structure going down like this, and then break the structure going up, break the resistance of that structure as a second confirmation. So far I've gotten nothing, and I also have my Fibo levels there as a zone which I expect the market to go and touch. Okay, so I've gotten nothing so far. I don't really consider these discrepancies in the market. You see this gap? Others will say this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. I know there's a breakout there, but by gap, by void, I don't respect such. Okay, so what do we do? Keep going. A, B, C. No, I won't call that, you know. So I had another gap here again. I had another gap there. Okay, we'll see a good structure here. I have A, B, C, D. Good, so I can start boxing. This is more of a proper structure for me. So I box this, and I have this in mind, although it hasn't gotten to my area of particular concern. Okay, so good. So I now see this A, B, C, D. So this is a breakout here by this candle. So I call this A, this is B, the highest point is C, the next is D. So I box this like so. Okay, that's what I do. So now here's A to B. When I get a breakout here, which I got a breakout, here becomes C, and this is my D. So I pull the highest point C, pull down to D. Pull down to D. So you see I have structures, I have a structure within this. So the closest structure to my present price is this, and I pull. So we'll keep going. So you can see there's a breakout again. So I have A, B, C, D. What do I do? And I pull. So now you can see that I've gotten a breakout here. I've gotten a breakout, so it's going to be a good point to enter, but it hasn't gotten to my my area of my Fibonacci entry points. So I'll be skeptical with this, but I'll have to measure where to enter this. Okay, so let's close this off. Okay, I have to measure where to enter first. I won't just go in because I haven't gotten really what I want. So this is where it's asking me to go in. This is where my Fibo levels are. So it's asking me to come in at this point. I have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's also a very good point to enter. But normally I expect my market to get to my Fibo levels, you know. So you can see that this way the market came and told me to enter when we had a breakout at that point. The market told me to enter here and we had a breakout there, you know. So the market went up actually, but came back down, and then you can see it came to my Fibo level. So it went back, and so this is where the market is. So I basically entered the market at this point. I entered the market at this point. These are taking so long. This is where the market tries to manipulate you, but when you know the direction of the market, you know where the market is going to, and then you know how to adjust your stop loss. So my stop loss from this point to that is 1,000 points. I'm using 0.1, so that's just 1,000. So how much am I expecting to get in this market? How much if the market goes in my direction? You can see what I did. It is just 1,000 from my. It's just 1,000. It's 1,000. You can see. It's 1,000. So I'm expecting the market to take me to this point. This is my first target profit. So from here to my entry point is 7,000 points, and I'm risking just 1,000 points to get 7,000 points. Is that good or very good? At most, if the market goes against me, it takes me out. But I've made sure that I placed my support, my stop loss below my C. You can see the market formed the structure A to B, B to C, C to D. So I placed it below C. Going to 1 hour, you see what I did. This is why I placed it there. I have this point and I have this point, so I placed it at the lowest point. So if the market comes against me, all I'm losing is just 1,000 points or 1,000 points. If it goes in my direction, I'm getting 7,000 points, and that 7,000 points is just where it starts. Because now between this point, this breakout point, and this target profit, we have zones within. We have areas of resistance. So you can see I have one here, I have another here, and I have another here. Okay, so all I'm waiting for is just for this market to get. As the market begins to break this point, it begins to give me more levels. Going to my 4 hour, let's see what space I have. Okay, so all I need, any target profits. Let's say, let me show you this. Any target profit, these are the levels I have. This is where I'm expecting my target profit to get to. If anyone would give me 161.8 target profit to this point, I'll take it. Or to this point, I'll take it. But anyone that gives me above this point, I wouldn't take it. You know, so let's say we place it at this point. This is what you see. It's totally almost out, gone out. Okay, so this may fly. In fact, it's likely not to fly because anyone that closes above this is likely not to fly. So, well, whatever it is, this is what we do. We just remain patient for the market to do what it does. Okay, for the market to do what it does. So for me, that's my take at this point. All I do is to sit and wait. I'm sitting and I'm waiting. I expect the market to go above, go up, play around here, and then go up. If it does otherwise, fine. All I have to lose is just 1,000 points. But if it goes my direction, I'm getting 7,000 points. This is a live market. So I hope this helps you guys. I hope you guys learn from this video. I hope you come.